What is up, guys? It's Kevin back again with a quick new video, just showing you guys what I've been doing and what I've been working on. And if you watch my video that I put out last week, you know I bought this RSX, and this is kind of like a second part to it. I didn't get to spend as much time as I wanted to on this car, so it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but it still looks a lot better considering it's a $500 car and it runs and drives. You can't really critique it too much, but let me show you how it came out. Now, the plastic didn't come out exactly the way I wanted it to, because I could only get my hands on 5 cans. So there are some spots on the car that are not completely covered. But considering what it looked like before, yeah, I would say it looks pretty damn good. The engine here, I really didn't do anything to the engine itself. And of course, this is a K20A2, I believe. And you know, it's got the thing, got the air filter. Now, one thing that I didn't realize when I got it is this actually has HKS hyper something coilovers. I looked them up, and they go for a good bit. I believe the retail one was like $1,000. Now, it does rod smooth, and this is what the interior came out looking like after cleaning it up. Like, I was gonna get the hood, but I could not find a hood. The tires are in decent shape, and the biggest headache about this car is just getting the the exhaust on, because I couldn't find a mid-pipe exhaust. Now, I did get it on, but I don't know. I kind of bootlegged it because, like I said, I couldn't find the exhaust for the mid part of it. So I put flex pipe on it. Let me start it up for you. It's still kind of loud. This thing does not have a cat, but it doesn't sound half as loud as it did before. And it's still got that weird loping idle. I was gonna mess around with the and see if I could find the misfire. Now, if the body was in better condition, the interior was in better condition, I would probably do that. But because I'm selling this car cheap, and even if it ran perfectly, people are gonna pick the car apart on the cosmetic stuff. So I was like, I'm just not gonna mess with it. I'll sell it to somebody, you know, the way it is. Funny thing about this car also, and I didn't know when I first got it, but I was driving around the neighborhood, and I got it back home, and of course around the neighborhood I could only go 15-20 miles an hour just to see how the suspension rods and all that. And I got it back here to the house, and I went to pull it back into the garage, and I couldn't find reverse. I was like, what the fuck? I'd keep putting it in reverse and it'd want to go forward, and I was like, oh god, is the transmission messed up on this thing? And after just messing around with it for about 5 or 6 seconds, I realized, and it doesn't even say it on the title, but this is a Type S. So it has a 6-speed manual transmission. So where reverse should be, that's actually 6 gears. So you got to go over further than that. And like I said, I thought it was just a regular 5-speed when I bought it, but that's pretty good, because I mean, even just the 6-speed manual transmission are going for about $1,000, and that I paid $5 for the car. That's pretty damn good. It doesn't have AC. It still has a check engine light. The codes are for a misfire on cylinder 1 and 2. And then it has a code for the O2 sensor, because it's actually missing one of them that went in the mid pipe. But because I put that flex pipe on there, I couldn't, you know, I couldn't fix that. So like I said, I'm selling the damn thing cheap, considering these things are going anywhere from $3,000 to, I mean, some people, really clean ones, are going for like $7 grand. So I'm gonna put this for like way half than that, and hopefully somebody will get it. Somebody that knows how to work on cars. This would be a great car for somebody that knows how to do mechanic work, or is looking for a cheap one of these and willing to learn a little bit about mechanic work, because I really believe that there's not much wrong with this car. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm hot as hell. It is hot as hell here, and I'm gonna be giving something away on my next video, so make sure you hit that bell and make sure you're subscribed, because I'm gonna, like I said, give something away and I'll ship it to you. It's not gonna be something huge, but it'll be something car related that, you know, some of you guys might be able to use. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I will talk to you later. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for watching my videos.